If you've been teaching in online courses, you may have seen or heard about master course shells, live courses, and sandboxes. They may look similar, but each serves a different purpose. Think of them like building and maintaining a house, a blueprint, the actual house, and a workshop. Let's look at when to use each one. Your master course shell is the blueprint for your course. This is where you design and update the official version of your course content, including pages, assignments, discussions, and modules. Use your master course shell to build new course content, revise materials between semesters, and maintain your most up-to-date course design. Just like people don't live in a blueprint, students shouldn't be enrolled in your master course shell. Your live course is the house your students actually live in during the semester. This is where teaching and learning happen. Use your live course to communicate with students, grade assignments, post announcements, manage course activities and due dates. When students submit work, ask questions, and receive feedback, they're doing it in the live course. Your sandbox is your workshop. It's a safe place to experiment before making changes to your blueprint or your house. Use your sandbox to try new Canvas features, test new tools and integrations, experiment with activities and layouts, practice using Canvas without affecting students. If you're not sure whether something will work, test it in the sandbox first. Using each space for its intended purpose keeps your courses organized, efficient, and ready for student success.